Welcome to the most amazing channel. Today, we're going to dive into the secrets of the sea shrimp, a seafood loved around the world. The journey of sea shrimp from the ocean to the dinner table is truly fascinating and filled with surprises. We will follow the fishermen as they head out to sea on motorboats, using nets to catch shrimp. Shrimp fishing is a tough job that requires patience and skill. Fishermen frequently face challenges such as harsh weather, rough waves, and competition from other fishermen. When the boat reaches an area rich in shrimp, the fishermen begin to cast the nets. The nets are dropped into the water following the direction of the boat, forming a wide trap below the sea. The nets are often equipped with floating and sinking buoys to maintain a specific depth, ensuring they cover the area where the shrimp are. While casting, the fishermen must adjust the boat's speed and the angle of the net release to ensure it opens evenly without tangling. After the nets are cast, the boat moves for a while to lure shrimp into the net. This period requires patience from the fishermen as they observe signs on the water or changes in the net to estimate the amount of shrimp caught. When the fishermen feel they have gathered enough shrimp, they begin hauling the nets. This stage requires significant strength and skill, since the net will be very heavy when full of shrimp. The net is pulled in gradually, ensuring it's not done too quickly to avoid tearing or losing the catch. The workers typically work together, using a winch to carefully reel the net up step by step. Once the net is completely hauled up, the bag full of shrimp is opened, allowing the shrimp to fall into the boat's hold. This is an exciting moment as they see the fruits of their labor. The fishermen quickly sort the shrimp and prepare for the next haul. This process not only requires expertise, but also creates a deep connection with the sea, providing both livelihood and a sense of joy for those who work on the ocean. After hauling the net and harvesting, the shrimp are placed in the boat's hold, where they are prepared for further processing. Workers place the shrimp into a washing machine to remove dirt and clean them thoroughly. The machine uses water and sometimes mild disinfectants to ensure the shrimp are clean and safe. After cleaning, the shrimp are transferred to the packing area. Here, workers pack the shrimp into containers according to specific weight measurements, ensuring consistency and easier management during distribution. The packed shrimp containers are then moved to the cold storage area. The cold storage maintains a low temperature to keep the shrimp fresh, preserving their taste and quality until they reach the consumer. The process begins at the shrimp farm, where shrimp are raised in suitable environments. Once the shrimp reach the desired size and quality, they are harvested and transported to the processing plant. To maintain freshness and quality, the shrimp are usually stored on ice during transit from the farm to the plant. Upon arrival at the plant, the receiving department inspects and records essential details such as the shrimp's origin, weight, and temperature. The shrimp are kept at a low temperature to preserve freshness before proceeding to the next step. Before processing, the shrimp are washed and, if needed, thawed. Washing helps remove impurities and any ice surrounding the shrimp, ensuring they are clean and ready for further processing. The shrimp are moved to the peeling area, where workers or machines remove the heads and shells. This step eliminates unused parts, retaining only the valuable shrimp meat. Some plants may use automated peeling machines for speed and efficiency. After peeling, the shrimp are rinsed again to remove any remaining residues. This cleaning step ensures that the shrimp are thoroughly clean and free from any impurities, preparing them for quality inspection. The washed shrimp then pass through an automated sorting and grading system. The machinery uses recognition technology to sort shrimp by size and quality. Automated grading enhances efficiency and accuracy, ensuring each type of shrimp moves along the correct production line. In addition to automated sorting, workers manually inspect and sort the shrimp to remove any that do not meet standards and ensure product uniformity. Workers carefully examine each shrimp to catch any issues that machines might miss. The shrimp are transferred to the weighing area to meet different customer specifications. Each portion is weighed accurately to fulfill order requirements. After weighing, the shrimp are placed in boxes with quantities matching the specified weight. The boxes are carefully packed to protect the shrimp and maintain presentation quality. The boxes of shrimp are sealed and securely packaged. The packaging may be made from specialized materials to protect the shrimp during transportation and storage, ensuring product freshness. Once packaged, the shrimp are moved to a cold storage area, maintained at -18°C for preservation. This temperature keeps the shrimp fresh over extended periods, ensuring product quality from the plant to the consumer. This process not only ensures that the shrimp meet high-quality standards, but also preserves the freshness of the product until it reaches consumers. The plant strictly follows international hygiene and food safety standards to meet market demands. Certainly. Here is the English translation. Lobsters, especially tropical lobsters, are a rare and economically valuable seafood commonly harvested in Southeast Asian seas, are significantly impacted by natural factors as well as the effects of climate change. The process of catching lobsters by divers. Lobster divers typically use manual methods and are very careful to avoid injuring the lobsters and to keep them alive after capture. One common tool is a stick with a looped string. This technique requires skill and experience to observe and capture the lobsters. Divers must understand the characteristics of the lobster habitat, such as areas with abundant coral reefs and rocky outcrops, where lobsters typically reside. Observing these features helps divers locate lobsters when they are hiding in crevices or among coral reefs. When spotting a lobster, divers use a long stick with a looped string at the end, typically made from durable fiber, to catch it. They skillfully maneuver the stick into the crevice, grabbing the lobster's body, and then gently tighten the string to secure the lobster. This method minimizes damage to the lobster and maintains its quality after capture. After capturing, divers carefully bring the lobster to the surface. For larger lobsters, divers must ensure safety to avoid injury from the lobster's claws. This method, while manual, is more environmentally friendly and sustainable than using nets or bulk catching devices. Lobsters live in warm seawater areas with abundant rocky reefs, coral reefs, and complex seabeds. The ideal depth for lobsters is usually between 10 and 100 meters below the water surface, depending on the species. These marine environments must be healthy ecosystems with abundant food sources such as seaweed, small organisms, and soft-bottom sediments, all of which allow lobsters to grow and reproduce effectively. Their habitat also has relatively stable temperatures and clean water, with minimal pollution from waste or toxic chemicals. Because lobsters are sensitive to environmental changes, significant fluctuations in temperature or salinity can directly affect their health and reproduction.